Hey guys, how's it going? It's Rob with Lukat Detail. Check out this hood. This hood panel is oxidized. It's pretty old. It's an old base coat. Headlight lens is starting to haze up. When your paint job's like this, you don't want to wax it, guys. You don't even have to take it to a paint shop. Look at what you can do with this. Lukat Fix is a paint cleaner. Okay, this can save you a lot of money not having to repaint your car. You just put this on like this, hold it down a tight little square like this, and just rub back and forth. You don't have to rub it hard. Just clean the same spot until it clears up. This is not a wax, it's a cleaner. It'll remove buildup, contaminants, and oxidation, but it won't remove the good paint because it's not a cutter. The whole point of this is to remove all the bad stuff. Look at that. This is a cleaner, not a wax. Once you remove all that bad stuff, look what's there. Now, something very important. Listen to this. The sound of a squeaky paint job. That's a squeaky clean paint job. Listen. Can you hear that? That's 100% clean. There's no wax on it. Look. So now, I'm going to add something. This is called the Easy Wax. This is step 2. First, step 1, clean it. Then seal it. Then you can start waxing it again. This is not about shine, guys. It's about cleaning the paint, bringing the color right back to its original state. I'm doing the circles here like this. Put it on. Now, I'm just going to wipe this baby down. Look how beautiful that looks. Are you getting that? And that's going to stay like that. Who would have thought that this ugly old paint job can be brought back to life? It can be brought back to life by cleaning and polishing. That's what this does right here. You see this headlight here? Man, just because you got a hazy headlight doesn't mean you have to put up with it. Use the same cleaner. You do the same thing. You just rub back and forth, clean the same spot. You don't have to rub hard. You just clean it until it clears up. Okay, this cleans from top down. It'll remove all the contamination, oxidation. Look at that. Clean it right up. Voila. I don't know if you're catching that, but Lukat Fix it. It'll clean your paint jobs, your headlight lenses, even removes dust streaks off your windows. You can use this with the rotary polisher or DA polisher. It doesn't really matter. It's great for repairing the paint jobs. And again, look how beautiful that looks. You know what? I'm going to do another spot. This just freaking looks so good. It's crazy. And I'm actually running out of towel. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so you just go like this, guys. Look, up and down. No circles. There's no shine in this product. All we're doing is bringing back the original shine that's buried underneath those years and years of oxidation. Okay? If your paint job looks old and faded, try cleaning it first before you go take it to the paint shop. If it's not peeling, clean it, guys. Look how much color, how much gloss this thing still has. I mean, wow. And what I'm doing here right now is not temporary. This is a permanent fix. Not because I'm shining it, but because I'm cleaning it. Look at that. Again, the squeaky test. There's no wax on here. All I did was clean it. Now again, I'm going to seal it. I'll seal it with the Easy Wax. Use the Lukat Fix it to clean it. Use the Easy Wax to seal it. Look at that. Guys, if you can sand down your paint job and repaint it, you got the compressor, you got the mask, you got all the gear, go for it. But if you don't have all that stuff, you don't want to spend a lot of money. Guys, you don't know how often someone uses this, calls me up, wow, my paint job looked awful. It looks almost brand new because they're cleaning it. They don't realize that all they had to do was simply clean it. Look how beautiful that came out. There you go, guys. Lukat Fix it. Order it at lukatdetail.com. Check us out. Join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. Later, guys.